going to see you more.
What?
So we're waiting. I'm so excited. You excited?
Yeah.
Where's
Where's the more?
Huh?
Where's the more?
She in the back.
Where?
She in the back preparing. Ow.
Sorry.
It's all right, baby. Your dad's coming in. You'll see him in a second. He's coming in. He just walked in. Huh?
Why is louder there?
Because they about to dance.
I don't see them there. I don't see
It's okay, baby. Wait. You lucky I can't zoom in right now. Y'all, we had to take a break and come outside. I am so hungry. I've been running all day. This morning, last night, I went to see the Michael Jackson movie. And I didn't get home until like midnight or a little after midnight. And so I went to bed like 1. And then after that, I had to get right back up at 7 o'clock to get a shower so I could get ready to go to my son's football game. Oop, back up. And then after that, I had to immediately get ready. Huh? Your legs hurting? Yes. Okay. Well, we can sit down when we get over here. So I had to get my daughter ready for her dance recital today. That's what y'all are gonna see clips of. So I've been like running all day and I didn't eat anything. I did eat those gummies from Khloe Kardashian. I ate the burn, tone, and curve one. So I'm getting hungry now. It's wearing off. It ain't really working no more.
It's called a track because there's a bunch of rocks.
Cause it's a track right there. So now me and my son out here getting some fresh air, trying to move around so I don't think about food too much because I'm so hungry. I don't know what to eat.
Mommy, I've been here before.
You have?
Yeah.
Let me see how you want to run. How fast you can run? But anyway, yeah. So just checking in with y'all. Hope y'all enjoying the show. It was so cute. They were so cute. All right, now stop and run back. Okay. Stop. He's still running. Come run this way. On your mark. Get set. Go. Speed racer. They about to catch you. They about to catch you. Go, go, go. Go. Oh, Mirwan. Woo. Good morning, y'all. So I don't know if this is a new opening to a vlog or if it's a continuation, but I feel like I haven't said that in a minute. So good morning. It's Monday. I think this is a new vlog. I'm pretty sure. Anyway, okay. Hey, y'all. Welcome to my channel. It's Shakira Janae. If you like it over here, kick it, like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And if this is not your thing, then I'll see you later. But anyway, it's Monday and we are at work. What's new? I went and toured another place. Real cute. I like it a lot. So we're still on the hunt for a new place. My daughter had a she had a spring recital spring. She had a spring recital this past weekend. My son had a football game. They both did really well. I'm so proud of them. It was so fun. It was a busy weekend, but I enjoyed myself. It was really nice. And I think I got some clips. I'm pretty sure I got some clips from this past weekend. But it's a new week. We are at work. What else we got? I went and bought some fruit last night, but I want to get some more because I'm at the good, like, fresh market kind of thing. So I kind of want to see what they got available today before I go back home. It's something else that I feel like I need to do. I want to go get one of those totes, those clear totes that you can put, like, whatever you want to put in it, honestly. But I want to go ahead and get that so I can start putting, like, cleaning supplies and different things that I might need. I'm pretty sure I will need coming up soon. So I'm going to do that. I need to stay checking my emails and make sure I'm not getting anything that I need to return or anything. I need to finish getting my baby set up for registration. I did most of it, but I was still waiting on a couple forms. But anyway, I just want to check in with y'all, let y'all know it's a new week. We at work, and it's time to get to the money. Okay. Hope you have a good day. I'll see y'all a little bit later, okay? Hey y'all, so it's a new day. We're about to go to the range because yeah, I'm getting right into it. I'm about to go to the range. It's not too hot outside. I'm going to an outdoor range today, so I won't be cooking. I just went for a walk too, and baby got a 10 in 2 seconds. But I am about to go to the range because I'm trying to get familiar with my new purchase. that y'all saw. I don't know if I don't think I should. I don't know because YouTube might be a little crazy. But anyway, I got a new little friend and I'm going to get acquainted with her. So that's what we finna go do. My mailman. That's funny. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all when we get there. Mobbing in DC. One time. Okay, y'all. Hold on. We gotta get our stuff. I'll be right back when I get set up.